In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make text fit properly in Google Sheets. When you're working in a spreadsheet, it's really common to have text that's either too long for the cell or doesn't look quite right. Maybe your text is getting cut off, spilling into the next column, or wrapping in a way that makes your sheet hard to read. In this walkthrough, I'm going to show you the main ways to control how text fits, so your data looks clean, readable, and professional. First, open your Google Sheet and click on the cell or range of cells where the text isn't fitting the way you want. You can click and drag to select multiple cells or use the keyboard shortcuts to select entire rows or columns if you want to apply formatting more broadly. A quick way to make text fit horizontally is to adjust the column width. Move your cursor to the line between two column letters at the top. When the cursor changes to a double-sided arrow, double-click. This automatically resizes that column to fit the longest piece of text in it. If you'd rather choose a specific width, click and drag that border instead until things look right. You can repeat this for multiple columns to create a consistent layout. Next, let's talk about wrapping text. With your cells selected, go to the toolbar at the top and look for the text wrapping icon. Click it and you'll see options like Overflow, Wrap, and Clip. If you choose Wrap, Google Sheets will keep all of your text inside the cell and move extra text onto new lines within that same cell. This is really helpful for longer notes or descriptions, but keep in mind that it can make rows taller. If that happens, you can adjust row height by dragging the line between row numbers on the left. If you want the text to stay on a single line without changing column width too much, you can adjust the font size. Select your cells, then use the font size drop-down in the toolbar to make the text smaller so it fits better. This is useful when you're working with dashboards or compact tables where space is limited. Finally, you can also use alignment to make things look cleaner. With your cells selected, use the horizontal and vertical alignment buttons in the toolbar to center or align text so it's easier to scan. By combining column resizing, text wrapping, font size adjustments, and alignment, you can quickly make text fit in Google Sheets and keep your spreadsheets organized and easy to read.